Shanghai Pudong Tower, China Eastern 746 Mike uniform at 22 nautical miles to the southeast at 9,300 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway. China Eastern 746 Mike uniform, enter right base runway 34 right. Enter right base runway 34 right, China Eastern 746 Mike uniform. Lima Yankee Juliet 4512, enter straight in runway 35 left. Enter straight in runway 35 left, Lima Yankee Juliet 4512. China Eastern 746 Mike uniform, wind 370 at 11, number 1, runway 34 right, clear to land. Lima Yankee Juliet 4512, wind 370 at 11, number 1, runway 35 left, clear to land. Number 1, clear to land, runway 35 left, Lima Yankee Juliet 4512. Number 1, clear to land, runway 34 right, China Eastern 746 Mike uniform.
What about us? What about all the time you said you had the answers? What about us? What about all the broken happy ever afters? What about us? What about all the plans that ended in disaster? What about love? What about trust? What about us? We have problems that want to be solved. We are children that need to be loved. We were willing, we came when you called, but man, you fooled us. Enough is enough. What about us? What about all the time you said you had the answers? What about us? What about all the broken happy ever afters? What about us? What about all the plans that ended in disaster? What about love? What about trust? What about us?
been hiding all our feelings, scared to get emotional, looking for a reason to let ourselves be vulnerable. I don't wanna waste it, blurry lines we're holding on.
China Eastern 746 Mike uniform is on final runway 34 right.
So let's
China Eastern 746 Mike uniform, wind 370 at 11, number 1, runway 34 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 34 right, China Eastern 746 Mike uniform. Shanghai Pudong Tower, China Eastern 5029, ready for departure at runway 35 right, departing east. China Eastern 5029, wind 010 at 11, runway 35 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 35 right, China Eastern 5029. Shanghai Pudong Tower, Sichuan 820 Sierra Charlie, inbound on the ILS runway 35 left. Sichuan 3 Sierra Charlie, you're in an active airspace, please contact Shanghai Pudong Tower on 118.8. Shanghai Pudong Tower, Sichuan 986 Sierra Charlie, inbound on the ILS runway 35 left. Shanghai Pudong Tower, Sichuan 3 Sierra Charlie is 10 nautical miles to the west at 8,400 feet, inbound for landing. Sichuan 3 Sierra Charlie, enter left downwind runway 35 left, number 2, traffic to follow is on final. Enter left downwind, runway 35 left, behind the traffic on final, Sichuan 3 Sierra Charlie. Sichuan 820 Sierra Charlie, enter left downwind runway 35 left, number 3, traffic to follow is on left downwind. Enter left downwind, runway 35 left, behind the traffic on left downwind, Sichuan 820 Sierra Charlie. Sichuan 986 Sierra Charlie, enter left downwind runway 35 left, number 4, traffic to follow is on left downwind. Enter left downwind, runway 35 left, behind the traffic on left downwind, Sichuan 986 Sierra Charlie. Sichuan 820 Sierra Charlie, adjust speed to follow aircraft ahead. Adjust speed to follow aircraft ahead, Sichuan 820 Sierra Charlie. China Eastern 5029, thank you. China Eastern 5029, frequency change approved, good day. Lima Yankee Juliet 4512, is on final runway 35 left.
500.
Frequency change approved, China Eastern 5029, good day. Lima Yankee Juliet 4512, roger. Lima Yankee Juliet 4512, wind 370 at 11, number 1, runway 35 left, cleared to land.
800.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 35 left, Lima Yankee Juliet 4512.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Sichuan 3 Sierra Charlie, wind 370 at 11, number 2, runway 35 left, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 35 left, Sichuan 3 Sierra Charlie. Shanghai Pudong Tower, Sichuan 219 Sierra Charlie is 22 nautical miles to the west at 11,200 feet, inbound for landing. China Eastern Wilco, China Eastern 746 Mike uniform. Shanghai Pudong ground, China Eastern 746 Mike uniform, request taxi to parking. China Eastern 746 Mike uniform, taxi to parking. Taxi to parking. China Eastern 746 Mike uniform.
So let's dive into tomorrow.
Shanghai Pudong ground. Asia 747. Ready for taxi with information Alpha.
So let's dive into tomorrow.
Asia 747. Taxi to runway 35 right. Hold short of 17 right 35 left. Taxiing to runway 35 right. Will hold short of 17 right 35 left. Asia 747.
We've been hiding all our feelings, scared to get emotional, looking for a reason to let ourselves be vulnerable.
China Eastern 746 Mike uniform. Request permission to cross runway 34 left.
Blurry lies we're holding on.
China Eastern 746 Mike uniform. Cross runway 34 left. Crossing runway 34 left. China Eastern 746 Mike uniform.
So let's dive into tomorrow. So let's dive into tomorrow. So let's dive into tomorrow. So let's dive into tomorrow.
Asia 747. Request permission to cross runway 35 left. Asia 747. Cross runway 35 left. Crossing runway 35 left. Asia 747. Shanghai Pudong ground. China Eastern 221 heavy. Ready for pushback with information Alpha. Requesting runway 35 right. China Eastern 221 heavy. Pushback approved. Tail to the north. Expect runway 35 right.
Shanghai Pudong ground, Xiamen Air 447 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Alpha.
Xiamen Air 447 Heavy. Thank you. Good day. China Eastern 746 Mike uniform.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, runway 35 right, Xiamen Air 447 Heavy.
Lima Yankee Juliet 4512, taxi to Apron 1 Terminal 1 Gate 16 via Delta, Papa 4, hold short of 17 left 35 right. Taxiing to Apron 1 Terminal 1 Gate 16 via Delta, Papa 4, will hold short of 17 left 35 right, Lima Yankee Juliet 4512.